everyone. It's 10th of November 2019, and it's the weekend market analysis. Let's start with S&P 500 ES E-mini contract. The trend, the golden trend's top band is the ultimate target, and we are not too far from there. At the moment, that level is 3,130. And for that, we have to get, first of all, the green channel has to keep holding. And that is driving this rally upwards. And there is the green and blue resistances here. I mean, they are not resistance, but potential resistances. If the blue channel becomes, if the top band of the blue holds together with the red, and that is slightly lower than the golden top band. But it doesn't matter. The direction is up. Every pullback, the golden internal support was very nice last week. So as long as all these trends are holding their supports, then we should all be looking for more rally. The break of the golden top band. So let's see the trend first. This is very, very nicely formed golden trend, just like in the S&P 500. This is a new all-time high following the break of the red resistance, which we have been following for quite some time, and the green channel, similar to the S&P 500. The green channel is perfectly formed with 2 touches on its bottom band and 2 touches on the top band. And the blue one is like an internal channel within the green. It's not a channel yet. I'm just holding it as a possibility to drive to see where it can go, right? That is just as a guide. Maybe it will happen, but the bottom band has to hold on the blue. The golden top band is at 28,500. That's another 800 points from here. Nasdaq, this was the buy everything signal, yeah, and now that was at the beginning of October, and we are 700, 800 points already higher than that. The major breakout is the golden long-term resistance, 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. The recent pullback bounced right from that point. Look at the back test, and obviously the small bull flag, the black bull flag, and now the green resistance is holding. That is like from the highs of 2019 May, July, and here it held at the recent high, but the breakout will move the prices all the way to 8,500, in my opinion. And as long as the red perfectly formed channel is holding, that is 3 touches on its bottom band and another 3 touches, maybe 2 touches on its top band, that is a perfect channel formed, and it's making the prices run higher. Russell 2000 is the most obvious bullish breakout. This was a huge bull flag. Look at this. I mean, that is the pole of the flag is here, right? And this is the flag. I'm drawing really nicely today. Sorry for my lousy. So this is the pole, and this was the flag, right? So what we have is, if the flags double, so that's normally the target, then we should be looking at 1,750, and that can be only reached if the green top band. So if we get to the green top band, maybe a small pullback and then push higher, that will be another bullish breakout, and the red channel is the one to watch. All right, back test on the blue channel was happened last week. And I think that back test will keep holding. FTSE, very obvious. So let me show you the long-term version. This is the golden channel that is driving it up. And I think there is a possibility to 7,500, which is why we're long FTSE. And the green, so the bullish breakout was obviously the red. Let me go to show the closer view. All right, the FTSE, this is nicely like this was the double support here, red and green, and this was the breakout. And now last week's action found another low at the double support here, right? That is the golden channels. 1 second. Let's put it this way. The golden channel was perfectly formed, and you can see the bottom band test, right? The bottom band test together with the blue, and now the golden channel is broken to the upside, and I believe we'll go and do a run to the green resistance, which has been holding. So 1, 2, 3, 4 touches, actually 5 touches on the green resistance, and maybe, and I'm hoping, it will run there and then break it to the upside. DAX, the green bottom band was our buying point, and we bought at 11,850. We ran for about just below 600 points. We closed at the blue resistance, and now the blue resistance was broken. I personally didn't buy it, which is very sad. But back then it was really looking, oh yeah, nice profit. But look at this move. This is the green channel has been driving the monster move. And the green internal resistance is at the green resistance. Look at this here. And now we'll probably move far further within. I'm only plotting the red channel. It's not confirmed yet entirely, but any move to the bottom band would be a long entry at the bounce. Only after the bounce, not before. That bounce is the premium you pay for entering a trade, is the insurance. So as long as the bounce is there, that is your stop loss. Okay, the amount of the bounce would be your stop loss if you plot these lines quite carefully. So euro is the red bottom band. I'm not sure about this. This is not a channel yet, but the internal line is super accurate. So I'm just following these kinds of trails that the market is leaving behind. This break of the golden support, and that was where we shorted. We covered around here, and now it's broken down there. And if the red bottom band holds, maybe this blue wedge will form and then break to the upside. So things like this would be a long entry. The green resistance, the broken green resistance, may get back tested. So, and that would be a long entry too, but we're not there yet. So pound is the red bottom band. So the red support. This is like a short-term support that was on Friday. 1, 2, 3 touches, and now it's broken. Back test, and probably will get to the green bottom band, and a bounce from there would be a long entry. And ideally, actually, the blue channel forms. And if the blue channel forms, so let's say we see things like this, and then that will be a massive buy signal here at the green and blue bottom bands intersection. That is the ideal, of course, ideal scenario. We'll see. And the Aussie dollar, the green channel is speculative. So if the green channel holds around about here with the blue, so the blue bottom band, that will be a hugely bullish signal for my money. And the golden resistance has, just a second, I'll show you. The golden resistance is the one to watch. All right, 1, 2, 3 touches. Here we came very close to breaking, it didn't. And I think if the green bottom band holds, that will be a massively bullish wave starting. And that, the black one, you can see the black support is a long-term huge support, and that wasn't taken out at the recent lows, which means we're going high again, hopefully and possibly. 1, 2, 3, 4 is a fantastic support. Kiwi, the blue support is holding right now, and the red, I'm not sure if the red holds. If the red holds, then we'll go higher again. Okay, and the target is 6,500. And similarly, that is, let me show you why we are bullish. And this is why we're bullish. This is a weekly channel. It's a weekly chart. The top band, the black bottom band held at the recent low. That means Kiwi maybe we'll touch the black again, but it doesn't matter. I reckon it's going to get to 8,500, just below 900 by 2021, 2022. So this is another huge channel, but it's a sideways channel. That is what I'm expecting. Oil, Friday's low was marked by the blue support. All right, this is a blue support, third touch on that blue support. And the red internal lines are also holding. The most important one is the red top band. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trials already, attempts to break it out. And I think the next one may break it. The golden top band is speculative resistance at the moment. So if it holds, maybe we get things like this. And then I believe it's going to get to 63, 65 if the red top band breaks to the upside. And that is next week. Natgas is, so the green top band was the resistance. Okay, the green bottom band has 2 touches. The green top band has 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. And the golden channel is a bull flag, a potential bull flag. But as you know, if the bull flags break to the downside, which means the failure of a bullish setup, then we may get to the blue bottom band very fast. And that would be the filling of this gap. And it's already started. You can see already started filling this gap. So Monday's action is very important. And if the golden bottom band breaks, we'll get probably a touch on the blue bottom band. And from there on, if the blue bottom band holds, we may get another rally to the green top band. All right. The major channel is the red one. That is huge channel to the downside. Okay, look at this. Yeah, this is our channel, mega channel from 2018 highs. And if the green channel becomes a bear flag, yeah, that may cause another drop below 2. That is now just a potential. Gold finally cleared the red internal support last week. And the back test, you can see the back test, perfect back test. And it dived. And now the green support is broken. The green internal support is broken. So the green channel, wait a second. I'll show you why we turned extremely bearish at the high of 1550. That is a very important one. So if we see the horizontal resistances here, You can see all the way from 2011-12. That was the backtest of that broken support here at 1550, and the red and the green top band. Look at this. Perfect resistance, double resistance at 1550. Which is why we were short from 1532 for quite some time, but it was choppy, and now the blue bottom band. Let me clear all of these. I know it's a little bit congested area, but that's why, because it's so choppy. And the red channel bottom band is the only, or can be the only, savior for gold bulls. If the red bottom band holds, then we'll push probably to 1550 again. Okay, but for now, let's say for now, the blue bottom band, this is like an internal channel, and the golden bottom band is a bull flag's potential bottom band. All right, so there's quite a few forces in play, and that's why it's quite choppy. Silver, we shorted the break of the red bull flag and the backtest. Actually, we shorted the backtest of that bull flag, broken bull flag, and then it dived nicely. The green bottom band is a potential support that may be a bull flag, but the most important one is here is if the golden bottom band holds, then we may see a huge rally again if it holds. If it doesn't, this, you see, the blue resistances were back tested later on, and this one is not very interested in that back test. I mean, it's still pushing lower, which is also very bearish. So if the golden bottom band gets completely ignored, then we may see the drop going further to the green bottom band. All right, folks, so I covered 14 markets, but I actually cover much more. The platinum, copper, palladium, all the agriculturals regularly. But that's mostly for the subscribers. This week I make this video just as a treat. All right, guys. Happy trading. See you all next week. Bye.